Good morning, vloggies. Today is Vloguary day 18, and it's also that light, but I look crazy. But it's also my charter day, so it is really nice. Good morning. It's more like good afternoon, but it is like 12:55, and I woke up around 12. Feels so good not to be in school right now, but I didn't have nothing to do today, but then I didn't have to work or anything. So I woke up at 12. I edited the vlog that we posted yesterday a little, so I'm waiting for that to be post. And then I went downstairs. I made me some oatmeal and some bacon, some really healthy oatmeal. I didn't put any sugar, any butter, any milk, nothing in it. So yeah. And now Reagan and I are about to go to the gym. So yeah, Reagan, like she said yesterday, she realized that she doesn't have class technically. I mean, like she has class, but all of her classes is online. So she's gonna be at home chilling on ice. So yep, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna come home. I'm gonna clean up my dirty room. I'm gonna do something with my hair is crazy. Take a shower, get organized for the week, and then I'm gonna head up to Langston because, like I said, today is our charter day. And last month I was so busy I didn't get to go to none of the basketball games. So I want to go to the basketball games today. And then I think the case is having a little turn up. They did a yard show today. It was so cute. So yeah, that's the plans. I'm about to get dressed for the gym. I bet when I go downstairs, Reagan's not even gonna be dressed. So we'll see. Clearly someone's sicky Vicky. Look at all this, y'all.
Huh? What'd you say?
I said clearly someone's sicky Vicky. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is actually disgusting.
Shut up.
Like, this just looks like, I think I might wait outside.
Okay, it is dramatic. I didn't know that pasta thing was on for real.
Mama, my toe hurts.
You about to go put in some work at the gym, cause I ain't been in 2 days. What about you, Ray? She haven't been in 1 day. Do. About to go put some work. Y'all, I had to turn my hat backwards because I was getting too hot. I have burned 400 calories on this thing. And then I did the treadmill. Then I'm about to go do abs. Then I'm out of here. I look so ugly. Let's go see what Reagan's doing. I'm too short. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm about to go downstairs. I don't know what she's doing.
Proud bitch,
Hey,
I'm proud to be around bitch. I'm proud bitch, I'm proud to be around bitch. I'm proud bitch, I'm proud to be around bitch. This ain't every day, she know it's a blessing being around this.
That's awkward. Dang. I like this song.
I like Kira.
Hi, vloggies.
So,
I was scared.
somebody got pulled over. We are headed to the basketball game, and today is their charter day.
Yeah.
Charter day, and so they're having a turn up. This is the first basketball game. Ooh, that was close. Basketball game of the year. So it should be pretty turn like this crazy song she's listening to.
I don't like this angle.
What? Hey. I'm feeling a little better today. Yeah, this song actually sounds crazy. I'm feeling a little better today, though. I still sound stupid, but whatever.
It's okay, I'm still waiting. Alright, is it 312 or 321? Is it 312 or 312?
Say hey to the vlog. Oh, no, Mel. Oh, get on the vlog. Don't be drammy.
321. That's what those. Are you sure? Because your roommates have given me this together.
Because when you actually do it, when the lady gives you the address, you don't say Grand Square.
So y'all, we at the game. Jess, what you laughing for?
I'm laughing at my face.
This is the vlog.
This is the vlog.
Hi, Vloggy.
Hi, vlog. I know y'all miss me.
The Dimple Twins.
So we at the game, right? And we not that booming.
It's really not.
Ain't no DJ. What we doing? Ain't no DJ. Where's the music?
It is a DJ.
They gonna play it up there?
No, it's a DJ.
Is he sitting? Is he sitting there?
He's probably sitting behind.
Okay, there's a DJ. Possibly.
Yo, I look crazy. So anyway, Denora, you a photographer? Look at the screen.
Jay's got photos.
Look at the screen. She's not even doing nothing.
Jay's got photos.
We're home. We're winning.
Say hi to the vlog, yo.
Hi,
She's not even in it yet.
I'm gonna start it one time.
Okay, Lincoln! Let's go like that! Corey. Girl, Corey, if you don't take that shit to the house.
Ajay, say hey to the vlog. Hey, Monty.
Hey, Vloggies.
Hey, girl. Say hey to the vlog.
I think I'm gonna snap any second. Right? I'm gonna snap any second.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, Cam in the back with you. Come on.
hope y'all missed it.
Hey, Pandora listener.
That's
We hate to interrupt your music, so we'll try to keep this short. Do you like free food? At Grace.com, we're on a mission to create nutritionist-approved snacks that actually taste good. And we would love for you to try one of our delicious snack boxes for free. With over 100 snack creations, there's something for everyone. Try Grace today to see why millions of people love our snacks.
So the party's going on downstairs. Body shape, let me see.
Am I a pear, apple, or carrot? What am I?
A pear mixed with a carrot?
I'm both?
Mixed. Because I don't think your waist is that voluptuous. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
So anyways, vlog.
Hey, J-Mo.
Alcohol? You don't drink, bro. We got it if you want it.
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog,
Nice
guys.
hat. Nice fucking hat.
Appreciate it.
J-Mo. What's the J-Mo?
Waiting to pull it out. Don't put that on the vlog.
Oh. She don't want to.
They still single.
It should say like a motherfucker.
Like a motherfucker.
Jamori, say hi to the vlog. You was on there the other day.
What's up, everybody? I'm back. You know, still single, thank God. You got something to drink?
Yeah, I'm putting it on there. So anyways, the party is going on downstairs, but I'm in JD's bed because at this point I just can't. Say hi, Jazz.
Hello, vlog. I'm Jazz. I saw y'all earlier.
You guys seen Jazz like 2 or 3 times maybe?
Maybe a couple times. I usually don't sound like this, though. I sound like regular, you know.
She sounds the same.
That is so good.